my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys the new Walgreens ad for January 10th through January 16th. There are some good deals. Not really anything that's like a huge moneymaker, but there are some good deals. Now, as you see right here, we have the deals of the week. They have the Scott's paper towels, toilet paper, and Kleenex boxes. Buy one, get one 50% off. I have not seen coupons out there for it, but there might be some printables. I never checked. The way to check is just go to Lozo, Lozo.com, and you guys can see. Now we have Lucky Charms. We have General Mills cereal for $1.88. We do have some printable coupons. We have some insert coupons. We have some digital coupons for $1 off of 2. You guys would get 2 boxes for $2.76. or $1.38, and you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you guys will get points. You also get points for the Scott's paper towels too. Then they have Snuggle or All for $2.88. I do think some of you guys might have gotten inserts. I don't get those, so I'm not sure. But with the $1 off coupon, there's going to be also a $1 off digital coupon. They will be $1.88, which is an okay deal. Colgate toothpaste, $2.99. Now, we did get some $1 off coupons in our last Sunday's paper from January 3rd. There was also a printable $1 off coupons. You guys want to buy 2 of them. You would pay $3.98 after using 2 of those coupons. You would get a $4 register reward, making them absolutely free if you guys need some toothpaste. This is kind of a week where we're going to be stocking up on toothpaste, okay? They have soda, nothing really, sticking out for anything that's like a good, great deal. But yes, now we're getting to the medicines. They're kind of putting their medicines first, and then the personal care items kind of in the back. So some stuff is buy one, get one 50% off, or buy one, get one free. So it just depends on what you guys want. There are some, like these Nature's Bounties, there's actually some coupons that we got, and there's deals in Ibotta. And there's a deal where if you guys spend $20 or $30, you get a $10, it looks like a Visa gift card possibly. So that's a cool thing that I might want to check up. More medicines, $5 off, $1 off. Buy one, get one 50% off. Now here they have this where if you guys buy 2, you get a $3 off register reward off of some of these products. So there might be some deals. Buy one, get one 50% off. Buy one, get one 50% off. But you still get $3 off register reward when you buy 2 of them. Ricola, these are going to be 2 for $3, so $1.50 a piece with the online digital coupon that's going to be available on Sunday. And then more medicines, they got Ducalac, Soft Chew, buy one, get one 50% off. I do know we have $1.50 off printables, I think, but they might end actually this weekend, so maybe not. I can't remember. But more items here. Diapers, they're $3 off a 2 coupon, but then you'll get a $5 register reward when you buy 3. So there's that. Always stay free, those kind of things. Now here is a Crest toothpaste deal. They're $6.99. I do know there's a $2 off coupon for the gum detoxify, and then there was a $2 off coupon for another of the more expensive toothpaste. So you guys would want to buy both of those. There might be a better deal when it comes Sunday because they always surprise us with some good digitals. But you guys would pay $9.98. You get a $5 cash rewards when you buy 2. So it comes out to be $4.98 or $2.49 a pound each. Do not do that deal unless there's a better digital, but yeah. Now here are some different kind of always. These are always discreet pads or panty liners. These are 2 for $10. We are getting a 5 off a 2 digital coupon. These will come out to be just $2.50. I think these are a little bit different than the regular always, like this one that I'm thinking. So if you guys need some of that stuff, I might do a haul for that. Here we have 4 for $8 for Tide Oxy, Downy, Unstoppables, and Bounce. Those come out to be just $2 a piece. Now we're going to the personal care items. Now here they have the hairstyles and treatments for $5.99, but in the small print they have the bigger, the regular shampoo bottles 2 for $8. We do have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon, insert coupons, plus there is a 2 off a 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys would just get those for $1 a piece for your regular shampoo and conditioner. So, but I really want to try that the Elvive. I really like that flavor or scent or whatever. Colgate 2 for $8, or not Colgate, Pantene 2 for $8, nah. Herbal Essence, nah. Now we do have Dove and Suave, buy one get one 50% off, and then there's a 3 off a 2. It's an okay deal. But here we got some chic razors. Buy one, get one 50% off, and then you get a $5 cash rewards when you buy $20. There's also Ibotta deals for this, you guys. So I'm going to try to see what we can do to see if we can get a good deal with that. Bic is going to be buy one, get one 50% off. We are getting $4 off coupons in the Sunday's paper. It looks like there'll be a digital coupon too. But then you guys will get $3 of cash rewards. So there might be a good freebie with that. Here we got the Venus disposable razors. Buy one, get one 50% off. And then you get $4 cash rewards. Now, I just saw this. You get a $5 off register reward when you spend $20 or more. So you guys could use, I think you can use 2 of those coupons. No, I don't remember. But you guys might be able to mix and match some of these coupons and see what you guys can do. But that might be a pretty better deal. I'm going to probably check that out for you guys. We have Dove, Axe, Degree. I do know we have a 2 off of 4 coupon that we just got in our inserts. They're buy one, get one 50% off. You guys will get a $4 register reward when you buy 4. Dial is $3.49. It looks like there's a $1 off digital coupon. I'm not sure about the inserts, but you get a $1 Walgreens cash rewards when you buy 2. Now here's a Colgate deal for $4.99. We do have there is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that's going to be available. So you guys want to do that. You would pay $6.98, but then you get that $6 register reward, making them 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. It's an okay deal. Here is Crest toothpaste, $3.99. Now it does say there's a $2 off coupon. There might be something better that pops up, but you get a $4 register reward when you buy 2 of them. So depending on what coupon, it would either be $3 or $2. I'm not sure. We'll have to figure out what digitals we got. But then they have the mouthwash with a $1 off coupon, and then you get a $5 cash rewards when you buy 2. So there could be an okay deal with that. Here we have the Cetaphil Vaseline Gold Bond. These are buy one, get one 40% off, and then you guys get a $3 register reward when you buy $15 or more. I do know there is some rebates for Ibotta rebates for Cetaphil. So if you guys need that, there might be some Nivea Men. I think they just added it. So you definitely want to check that out. Now we're going to makeups. Nothing really popping out at all for like great deals, but they do have it right here where you will get a $5 register reward on your next purchase when you spend $15 or more. So it looks like Revlon's included, CoverGirl, Maybelline. Now we did get some printables. There are also some inserts, so you guys might be able to get some good deals with that. Oh, and rumor has it, if you guys are watching this today on Wednesday, that Walgreens might be hitting 70% off tomorrow for their Christmas. I'm just waiting until it hits 90 because I don't really need anything. So, yes. Here we got Purex, $7.99, and then there's a $3 off digital coupon. We got facial home tissue and Palmolive for just 99 cents. Airwick. Now here is some, if you guys need some aluminum foil or paper plates, you just clip this to your card. It'll be just 99 cents for that. Now we're into the food deals. Special K, 2 for $5. We have a $1 off a 2 coupon. Some of you may or may not have a Ibotta rebate for it. My Ibotta rebate never reset when I used it, so you might have it. Here we got Jif peanut butter. They are 2 for $4. We did have some 50-cent off printable coupons, you guys. I don't know if it's still available to print, but we did have some printables if you printed them off. They would just be 50 cents. You want to use 2 of them. You would get 2 things of Jif peanut butter for $1.50 a piece, which could be an okay deal if you guys need to do that. Prego, buy one, get one 50% off. Now we did get, I had them on my desk and now it disappeared. We did get 75-cent off of 2 printable coupons. If you guys want to use that, I'm not sure the price, but you guys can definitely do that deal and possibly get some good things going on. Then we're going to go to more snacks. Here we got Snickers. Snickers are 89 cents, but we do have some printable coupons or probably some digitals for 50 cents off of 2. So you guys want to buy 2 of them. You would end up paying $1.28 or just get them for 64 cents. So if you guys need to stock up on Snickers, go for it. So I know we did get some Orbit coupons, but I don't know if it would work for this one. I know it would work for the simple ones. And then we got Pringles for $3 for $3, $1 a piece. That's a great price when you can get Pringles for $1 a piece. And then they have Ritz Chips Ahoy for $3. That's a good price. And then you get a 75-cent off of 2 coupons. So it looks like Oreos, we could get a pretty decent deal. Yes. And then here is the last page. I can't show you. It won't go any more further than that. But there's just a couple drinks. Nothing really popping out. But here we got the Russell Stouffer for 69 cents with a coupon. Werther's Originals. There might be some Ibotta deals too for $4. So that is it, you guys. It's an okay week. Not really anything that's like really popping up, but I still wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys all next time. See you.